Hello everyone! For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the hair from the left side of the head. Then braid it and then use your fingers to pull out some strands of the hair. Once you are done with this, tie a rubber band to it and then tie it up to the right side. Take two other sections of the hair and twist it underneath and then using your fingers loosen it. Repeat this process one more time. Do this till you reach the base of the hair. Once you reach the bottom, you may add a rubber band and add decorative clips. Take a section of the hair from the left and the right side, tie it up at the middle at the back, and then make a braid out of it. Once you have made this braid, divide the bottom portion of the hair into two parts and then make a braid out of both of them. Tie the three braids up together and then roll it upwards to make a bun. Take a section of the hair from the left and the right side, tie it up at the back. Repeat till you reach the base. Take a section of the hair from the left and the right side, tie it up at the back, and then twist it in on itself. Take two other sections from the left and the right side and insert it into the initial twist. Repeat this process a couple of more times. Now take a section of the hair from the left and the right side, tie it up at the back, and then use a rubber band. Make one more section and then twist it in on itself as such. Take a section of the hair from the left and the right side, tie it up at the back, and then make two divisions out of the hair at the bottom. Roll up one of the sides and then the other side make a braid out of it. Once you make the braid, loosen it using your fingers. Then roll it around the bun. Add a decorative clip. Take a section of the hair from the left and the right side and individually tie rubber bands to them. Then twist each of these sections in on itself. Take two more sections, tie it up at the back. Thank you for watching.